How to measure patient height on a 502 KL. Power on the scale, and when the display shows 0, assist the patient onto the platform. Allow the scale to lock on the patient's weight. To enter height mode, press the BMI button. If the height rod is in the home position, the display will read 47.2 inches when weighing in pounds. If the height rod is not set at its home position, the display will instruct the user to reset the height rod. Push the height rod down to its home position as shown. Raise the height rod to the estimated height of the patient and extend the headpiece to its horizontal position. The display will show the measured height as the height rod moves. Adjust the height rod position until the headpiece rests flat on the patient's head. Once finished determining the height, press the Enter button to obtain the patient's BMI. The display will show the patient's BMI measurement. For heights below 47.2 inches, 120 centimeters, press the white button to release the headpiece. Slide it downwards, then extend to its horizontal position. To enter the height manually, press an arrow key after entering BMI mode. Then use the arrow keys to input the patient's height and press Enter to calculate the patient's BMI. If the scale is connected to a Welch Allyn monitor, weight data is sent when the weight locks on the scale. Height and BMI data is sent when the BMI process is performed on the scale. For additional assistance, contact customer service at 1-800-815-6615 or chat live at homescales.com.